I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a gaming monitor from BenQ. No, not this one, although I've been using this particular BenQ monitor for over a year now and it's still pretty impressive. Now, today I'm looking at something even better, especially if you're a gamer. This is the BenQ MOBIUZ EX3210U. It's a 4K 32-inch true HDMI 2.1 gaming monitor with a 144Hz refresh rate. This is a big monitor that's built to make the most of the latest gaming consoles and gaming PCs with true HDMI 2.1, so there's no signal compression happening here to support 4K gaming at 120 Hz. Assembly is easy, although this monitor is large enough that I had to do it on the floor of my family room. Make sure you have something soft under that display panel when assembling. Around the back are two HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB Type-B input that feeds four USB 3.0 Type-A ports, so you can use the MOBIUZ EX3210U as a USB hub. Along the bottom are on-screen controls and the power button. The assembled stand clicks and locks into place on the back, and then you're all set. There is a plastic cover provided for the port area, by the way. Although you may want to plug any cables in at this point, as the ports are a little tough to access once the monitor is upright. Now, I set the monitor in front of a 65-inch TV to give you some idea of just how large it is. And the short story is, yes, this is a very big PC monitor. Accessories included in the box include the power supply, both HDMI 2.1 certified and DVI cables, the USB Type-B to USB Type-A cable for connecting to a PC for use as a hub, and a very handy remote control. A monitor this big with these kind of capabilities deserves a TV-like remote. And as you can see when you start digging into the on-screen menus, this monitor is extremely customizable. It includes gaming modes, FreeSync, Premium Pro, and G-Sync support, and it also includes BenQ's own HDRI, which is AI-optimized HDR based on room lighting readings through an integrated sensor and the content on screen. It's very effective. The monitor also supports HDR10 and VESA Display HDR600. There's even an integrated microphone with AI noise cancellation, so you have the option of using the monitor in game chat without a headset if you choose. The MOBIUZ EX3210U not only has sound, it uses BenQ's Trevolo audio technology. I have a BenQ Trevolo wireless speaker with electrostatic flat panel drivers, and the company's audio technology is pretty impressive. In the case of the MOBIUZ EX3210U, this is built-in 2.1 channel sound with a pair of 2-watt drivers up front and a 5-watt subwoofer on the back, along with 5 different audio modes to choose from. And speaking of the back of the monitor, there are integrated RGB light strips back there. I just panned past that integrated subwoofer. Here's another look at the RGB lighting, which can look quite striking against the monitor's white case. Now, the IPS panel used here has wide viewing angles, and it's treated to be anti-reflective, but to perfectly position the picture, you can pivot, swivel, and adjust the monitor's height. As a 32-inch 4K monitor, you can also get a lot of crystal clear info on there if you decide to use it with your PC for something more mundane than gaming. The BenQ MOBIUZ EX3210U is a big, beautiful monitor with everything needed to support next-gen gaming. It also offers features many other gaming monitors lack, like its integrated 2.1 channel audio and BenQ's HDRI technology. The only things I would change about this monitor would be to make the port access easier, and the addition of USB-C video support would be welcome. All my laptops use USB-C output for video. You'll find a full range of gaming monitors from all your favorite PC and console gaming brands at Best Buy. To learn more about the BenQ MOBIUZ EX3210U 4K 32-inch true HDMI 2.1 gaming monitor, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.